In this quick video, I am going to show you how to turn on WhatsApp dark mode on iPhone. Actually, you can't turn on dark mode on within WhatsApp app. You can find this information on official WhatsApp Help Center. But instead, you can use iPhone inbuilt dark theme. Let's do this. Go to Settings. Scroll down a little bit, then open Display and Brightness. Then tick this dark mode. That's it. Now open WhatsApp app. Yeah, you can see that, right? This WhatsApp app was turned into dark mode. And if you want to know how to customize Apple dark theme means, just watch this video, link in the description. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.